Hello and welcome. It's been a while since I've done a video. I actually tried to put one up last week, but couldn't do such. And it's becoming almost impossible to if not impossible, to upload chart videos on the channel unless all I do is just put a bunch of screenshots up and that's it. And yeah. But anyways, the silver price has been moving higher. Do I trust it? Short answer, yes. But I wouldn't be surprised if the powers that be, quote unquote, pull the market down in whatever story that they want to. But at some point, it's just these levers they're not going to be able to do such. And just like in 1979, when there was a huge move from 20 to 50, and then in 2011, a huge move from 20 to 50, and well, the next move was going to probably be a huge move from 20 to 50. This time, however, I don't think 50 would be anything more than at most decent resistance where maybe it would fall 10-20% before breaking through. As the next level, if there's going to be a big push down, I would expect to break 100, maybe go from like 130 down to like 50 or 130 down to 70, something in that nature as the next big move. That's what I would think, but hey, that's just me. I'm just a regular person. I could be way off. I made a channel, a different channel as the one that I'm uploading this to now, which I think I'm going to be able to, as it's an old computer and it's still alive, but I created a different account named End the Fed, and I did a video on silver supply talking about how this is just a thing ready to blow up as far as the real physical market is concerned. And I'll link that video. Look in the comments section and you can just look for End the Fed and with the link to the video. Anyway, so yeah, because of stuff like that, I'm expecting these prices to go higher. Now for me, I look at the price chart totally different, as throughout the years I was saying, don't be surprised if it comes back to the big 18 to 20 to find support there. And well, it obviously had one leg lower, as you can see. Well, it went down to 14, 15, 16 and stayed there for a while. And well, that was in the States. For Canadians, it never did such. It did hold at 18 to 20 throughout that whole time, because as 2012, 2013, and 2014, and even 2015 was in play, the U.S. currency, at least across the Canadian one, was being manipulated so much. So when this thing was all starting back in 2012, the crash that is, there was about a 5% difference in the currency between U.S. and Canada, which means back then you'd take 30 bucks an ounce and it was 5% higher. So that's another $1.50 or so higher. But then as it was going down, the percentages would go up to 10%, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and well, it didn't hit 40, to the point where it's 26 and change Canadian. So it's funny, people, and I would even be saying the same thing too, on the technical analysis, where breaking this 2021 level means, boom, a fast move up to the 25-26 resistance level. And that's exactly what happened in Canada. As the Brexit, when it went through, boom, 22 to 26 in a week. That's just what's happened. And now for the last week, it's been going sideways, at least in Canada, the 25 to 26 and change level. Just like in the United States, in the high 19s to in the 20s. And what's happened is the chart in itself has established that levels of resistance that I talked about, find the higher lows and then break through, and continue a pattern of higher highs and higher lows on the daily and the weekly term time frames. And well, that's bullish. Now I know these powers that be can break down the price a lot with the mechanisms that they use, and you never know what they're going to throw out. Just like all the margin calls, or Osama bin Laden's dead, just taking any news story and making it as the reason. So those are the keys there. But I think this thing is going to take off within time. And when you move into what they call, well, you can't eat gold and silver, because you move into these periods of time where, heck, I mean, food and energy is what you want, and don't get me wrong, that's what you need to have. It'll be interesting to see how silver does within that economic system, but if you're preparing, you want to prepare for post collapse in new monetary system where, okay, it's now a gold standard, or we're now having this, and this is what the price is for gold and silver, and next thing you know, you got your silver, which probably, like, crap, this could buy 10 times, 5 times, 20 times, blah, 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 more than what I was buying it at when it was 15 and 20 and 25 and 30, and maybe even, heck, I was buying it at 50, 60, 70 and being proud because they got in before the triple digits massacre, which could very easily come into play because, oh man, things are going crazy out there, and heck, we'll just let it play out. Now, as far as these videos on this channel, and even the other one, I really don't see me making too many, but I really don't want to stop making them either. So, chart videos pretty much got to be going because, heck, my old computer, I can't even screenshot record. My new computer, I put it up and then the audio just can't configure. It's so bad. It was just so annoying anyway. So I'm thinking this will work on the upload to the old computer. I'm going to be doing just a couple of videos that I want to soon. One about the 20 for 20 series in Canada. I got a great idea. And I'm going to post that as well on just a quick video of what silver bullion is, what it's literally good for. Literally, that is. So anyway, thank you for tuning in. I know it's been 3/4 of a year. I really can't leave, but I really can't be continuing making much videos either at the same time. So good luck during this interesting summer and fall that'll be coming into play.